Do you dream of finding a special piece of jewelry? Like a unique diamond or an exclusive watch or a piece from a celebrated designer? But when you saw something you really liked in a traditional jewelry store, did you go into shock at the price? Those days are over. U.S. Diamond Traders has developed a revolutionary new program called Wishlist. To help you find your dream piece of jewelry at a dream price, we constantly come across an amazing variety of exceptional jewelry. The first thing we do is consult our wish list to find out if anyone's looking for a similar piece of jewelry. Then we immediately contact that client and give them the first right of refusal at a deeply discounted price. Our prices are unbelievably low because with Wishlist, we can move an item quickly and efficiently. Wishlist is the most trusted and effective program in the market to acquire fine jewelry. Sign up for Wishlist today and reserve your dream piece of jewelry. It's easy, the savings are incredible, and you're not obligated to purchase. With U.S. Diamond Traders Wishlist, we can make your dreams come true.